Let's make gyudon, Japanese beef bowl. Hello and welcome to Majid's Kitchen. Let's begin with the rice. Take 2 cups of rice, then wash it till the water is clear. Swish the rice with claw-shaped fingers, then gently rub the rice to remove the excess starch. Repeat this process several times until the water is clear. Sushi rice or short grain rice tends to be a lot more starchy. An important step in cooking sushi rice is the rice ratio to water ratio. For this, I'm using 1 part of rice to 1.2 parts of water, or follow the directions on the package. A 3-step method is usually followed when cooking sushi rice. 1 is to let it stand in the water, ready to go in the rice cooker for 20 minutes. Then the rice cooker is turned on. The rice cooker does its thing for 20 minutes, turns off to the warm position where it will sit unopened for a further 20 minutes, resulting in perfect sushi rice. Let's make onsen style eggs. Gently place refrigerated eggs into the boiling water. Add in 1 cup of cold tap water. Place a lid on it and remove from the hot plate. Hold it there for 20 minutes. Using a microplane, I shred the ginger. It needs to be fine with no chunks visible in the sauce. Peel and slice a small to medium-sized onion. Separate the onion slices. And now it's time to remove the eggs. Place them into an ice bath and ensure that the eggs are completely cooled. Now let's make the sauce. Take the ginger and let's add to this 1/2 teaspoon of bonito soup stock. Two and a half to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of mirin, or alternatively, you can use 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar with a tablespoon of sugar. Then add 150 ml of water. The base for our sauce is done. I have already checked on the rice and fluffed it out a little. It is cooked perfectly. For the beef, I'm using a piece of sirloin steak that has quite a bit of marbling to it. I will be trimming the excess fat. A little fat adds tenderness and flavor to the dish. It's important to cut this meat nice and thin. So place it into the freezer 30 minutes before slicing it. It's so easy to make. No wonder this dish is so popular in Japan and for those who've tried it. A quick summary of ingredients: 350 grams of sirloin sliced thinly, 3 to 4 green onions sliced, 1 small to medium onion sliced and separated. And this is sashimi or togarashi. This is optional. A rice seasoning of roasted sesame seeds and dried fish. The fish here adds an umami flavor, and of course for the stock I used the bonito or dashi powder. Let's work on the beef. Blanching the meat for a brief period removes blood and impurities from the muscles, thus resulting in a clear, not so cloudy stock or sauce. This was only about 30 seconds and removed from the simmering water. And now it's time to move on with the gyudon. Onions in and the sauce base. Place the beef into the sauce and let it simmer. This will help it to soften further. Thicker pieces of beef will require a longer cooking time. Now for the onsen egg test. Crack it open and see. Time for presentation. It's all about the flavor, it's all about the sauce. Now a sprinkle of togarashi or sashimi, 7 blend spice powder, and some roasted umami sesame seed, some green onions, and our dish is looking awesome. Move in for a closer look. Don't forget the ginger. Usually, any shoga pickled strips of ginger is used, but I will be using a homemade sushi style ginger in this dish. I hope you like it. I love being inspired and to inspire others. If this video brings you value, hit like, subscribe and the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching Gyudon's Kitchen.